Hey guys, this is a quick lesson on calculating the median in a frequency table. Now, this is actually quite simple, just a couple of things you need to know. And yeah, you should be able to nail this on the head. So, we have number of books and frequency. The question is asking us how many number of books are read by students in a month. And to do that, we've got to calculate the median, which is the median, if you remember, when we do our averages, our mode, mean, medium, and mean. But this is going to look slightly different because we've got it in a worded question to start with. And we've got a frequency involved. And a frequency just means how many times something happens, okay? But with this, we need to add an extra column. So in a test or in a lesson, you will have it looking like that, number of whatever and the frequency, which is fine. But we need to find the cumulative frequency. Now, all that means is everything added together. We've got to add it all up, put it all together. And to do that, we're going to do this. We've got 4. We're looking at the frequencies, yeah, because it's asking us to add up all the frequencies. So you would add this column on. I've pre-drawn it. So we're going to start with 4. Okay. Now it wants us to add that 4 with 6, which gives us 10. Now it wants us to add that 10 to our 8. Now it wants us to add that 2 to our new answer, 18, which gives us 20. And now it wants us to add that 5 to our 20, which is 25. That's all it's asking us to do, our cumulative frequency, add it all together. And if you go down here and add them all up, that should add to 25. So you know you've got it right because they all add it together, which is really nice. So the next step we do to calculate it, now we found all our bits of information, is to use our little formula. N plus 1 divided by 2. You've seen it before when we've done the median, when there's 2 numbers in the middle and we have to add them up. So, n plus 1. Our n is 25. And we're going to add it with 1, which equals 26. And obviously, we are going to divide by 2. Just draw my lines. So 2 divided by 26 is 30. Brilliant. That's not our answer. That's telling us what our frequency is. With our cumulative frequency, our medium is 13. So we look here and we think, right, which number here is closest to 13? As long as before, we got 6, we got 8, 2, and 5. So 8 is closest to our 13 from this table. So the answer is 3. Calculate the median number of books read. So after finding out all that bit of information, we can see that 3 books are read. Do you get that? Or have I gone too fast? Let's try the next one. A frequency table displays the number of hours students spend on homework each week. Find the median number of hours spent on homework. So, frequency table, we know what we've got to do. We've got to draw another part of the table and put our CF in for cumulative frequency. You try and say that without testing your tongue because I struggle saying so I can't say it now, cumulative frequency. So let's start. We have 3. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. Right. Right. Now let's use our formula. So we have, let's just check that all equals 20. 3 plus 7 plus 5. Yeah, that all equals to 20. I'm happy. We all match. So we've got 20 plus 1 all over 2. So we have 21 over 2, which gives us 10.5. So let's look. 10.5, which is the closest to 10.5 here? Well, the biggest number we've got is 7. So the answer to this question is the median number of hours spent on homework, is 4. So that was really quick. Now, if you go to my website, I have actually got a worksheet on these with the answers so you can work it out yourself and see if you got it right. So I hope this has helped. Yeah, I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye.